Hello everyone, you guys have used Docker but confused with the Docker images which you use every day. Give me 3 minutes. I will teach you the Docker 6 command which everyone will use most often. So let's begin. Docker image. Docker images will list the command which you can use. Docker image ls will give the list of Docker commands, and Docker image adding s will do the same as Docker image ls. Now Docker pull. I will just pull the Docker BusyBox to show you that adding a new Docker file. Now Docker image.s. You can see the BusyBox is added. So I will show you how to remove the Docker images. Docker image means rm remove, adding I as a images, and uh, BusyBox you can use the name or the ID. Image ID also you can specify. I will go with the name latest. See the now image is removed. Okay, next Docker another simple command. You can add a tag. Like you can add a tag and then give mongo, sorry, mongo mongo latest, yeah, latest to the new tag name mongo's v1 version 1, and this is give the a new version. So you can see the same images have a new tag name. So it will helpful for the production version, or if you the image ID is same, but for the reference you can add this. And another most important command is docker image docker in inspect see you can inspect what the errors, what the any when running any build, you can check any errors can occur. This is a JSON file, but you can still identify the basic commands here and databases and the points where it exists. It's very helpful for debugging. So this you can see that the image has been removed. And another one command is docker image dot it will remove all. For as now I don't want to remove, so I will keep that as well. Will remove with the non-data typing. Okay, these were the commands you should remember, and it's simple.